It literally sucked the life out of my skin. Oh my god, my makeup is literally ruined. Has Sleek listened to my complaints? What is good, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sydz, and I'm back with another video. We are doing another first impressions, testing new makeup out here. So if you're new to my channel, like I said, my name is Miss Sydz. On here, I pretty much do makeup content. So that is first impressions, reviews, comparison, demos, all that jazz. Also with a mixture of lifestyle and vlog content. So if you like that type of content, if you're feeling my vibe, make sure you do subscribe. Put your post notifications on to all so you never miss out on uploads. I upload 3 times a week on Monday, Tuesdays and Thursdays with an extra bonus, you know, content due to quarantine. And make sure you follow me on the Instagram, because if I'm not on the YT, I'm on the Instagram. So I hope everyone is doing well, and today again I'm back with another new testing makeup. It's not Revolution for once. It's actually not Revolution. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to be testing out the Sleek Face Form Baking and Setting Powder. So previously, maybe not previously, but a while ago, I tried out their translucent loose powder in the shade Translucent, and I'm thinking, yeah, nice color, brilliant, gorgeous, whatnot. And girl, when I say it was so drying, it literally sucked the life out of my skin. So I haven't even used it since then. When I saw this new powder, I thought, let me just give this a shot. Now, just a brief description, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't see this on the Sleek website. I actually got my one from Pretty Little Thing. This retails for £6.99 or maybe £7 exactly. I think it comes in 4 shades. I think there's got a dark, a medium, a light, and a banana. I'm only guessing because I can't even find the name of the shades on here. Sculpt and set with the Sleek Makeup Face Form Baking and Setting Powder. Finely milled loose powder formula is designed to lock your concealer and foundation into place for lasting, flawless wear. With a range of shades to suit all skin tones, the powder allows you to sculpt your complexion for a chisel and defined finish. Lightweight formula, mattifying, good for setting under eye concealer to help prevent creasing and fading. So that sounds good, I'm not gonna lie, especially for an expensive product like that, but we will see. Anywho, I've pretty much got my base on. I'm looking a bit glowy and golden today. Hey! So I actually got the Revolution Glass Skin Primer, and I've got the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade New Caledonia. Just in case if this is a little bit drying, at least some parts of my face is going to be a bit moisturizing, you know. Okay, so we're going to go straight into concealer now. I'm going to use this actually looks quite orange. I don't know why. I don't know, but anyway, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. This is the hydrating camel finish one, by the way, in the shade Deep Honey, because again, just in case if this powder is too mattifying for me, at least I've got some sort of moisture on my face, honestly. So I'm just gonna go in with that. Okay, so the concealer's blended out now, so I'm gonna go into the powder. Like I said, I've got the shade Banana. It's got 0.49 ounces worth of product. Comes in the standard packaging, which is really good. So you'll be able to see it like so. So it's got the little filter. Gonna dip it into the top. The shade looks nice though. This is definitely a shade that I can work with. Just for like side-by-side reference, I'm gonna show you guys the Sacha Buttercup in the shade Buttercup, and those what the two products look like side by side. So I would say that the Sacha one, not the Sacha one, sorry, the Sleek one is probably a little bit more warmer. And also reference for the Huda Beauty, this is the Easy Loose Baking Powder in the shade Kunafa. And again, I would probably say this is probably more identical. Not too sure if you lot can see that, but I'll probably say the Huda Beauty is more identical. So yeah, shade looks good. Shade looks really, really good. Right, so you could probably see that my eyelids are creasing already. Now, I have like picked up a new routine where I prefer to set my eyelids with a mattifying primer. So whilst I set my other face with like a dewy primer, I like to set my eyelids with a mattifying primer, because I just noticed like it's just always creases. I deliberately didn't do that today because I want to see how flawless, how mattifying and whatnot this powder works. So I'm just gonna go over my eyelids again just to blend out the creases. And now I'm gonna just go in. I'm not gonna bake because I am not, and I repeat, I am not a baking gal. So I'm literally just going to set. Okay. Okay, immediately I definitely like this finish better in comparison to the other sleek powder I showed you a lot earlier. It doesn't look drying, it actually looks quite smooth. And I am using my same sponge that is damp as well. Okay, so I pretty much used a little bit of what I had in the cap. So I'm just gonna bring it all up in my grey heels. But yeah, that is the side where I set the powder. So hopefully you lot can see that. Set the powder there. My eyelids look pretty set. Looks quite flawless in comparison to that side. It's obviously dewy. You could probably see my concealer's creasing there and my eyelids there. So yeah, I must say I actually like the finish of this one, you know. Has Sleek listened to my complaints? I'm joking, I didn't make no complaints. I'm not really a huge fan of like setting my nose area because my nose area is always like the driest, even when I'm not dry. But today I'm not really dry, I'm actually quite normal, so quite normal. But I'm just gonna do it anyway. Pretty much set. So yep, so far I do like it. I really like the shade of this one as well because I don't know, I had a love-hate relationship with Sacha Buttercup. Sometimes I feel like it's a little bit too yellow for me. But yeah, this one's actually quite nice. Feels okay. It doesn't feel like the most softest or silky powder I have. But now I'm gonna do a wear test. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera just to save time. Show you guys the final product and then I'm gonna be doing a wear test. Okay guys, so this is my final and completed look. I'm actually getting myself ready to go to work as well. Well, working from home, you know. If you're curious what's on my lips, I am using I think this is the Renaissance. Yeah, I believe these are the Renaissance lipsticks from Revolution. Quite old, and this is in the shade Vintage. And honestly, because I was decutting my makeup, it is like the perfect cinnamon brownie nude. But anyway, it's actually quite late. It's 1:30 in the afternoon, and I don't think I'm just gonna wear this on my face for like 8-10 hours because I honestly don't like wearing makeup when I'm at home. So I'm gonna try it for a few hours or whatnot, but so far it looks okay. It's slightly separating on my eyelids, and I hope that's all the separation is gonna do. But under the eye area, it looks really good. So I'm gonna wear this for a few hours, see how I get on, and then I will get back to you guys and let you guys know how I got on with the Face Form Baking and Setting Powder.
Later.
Gotta clean up the hands, man. My hands are a little bit dry. Ready to film my review. Please excuse the way I look. Been working all day, sorting out the kiddos. You know how it is. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a close-up so you can see what's going on the face, but I haven't touched up my face or did anything. I only added a little bit of lip gloss because obviously my lipstick pretty much disappeared, and this is what my face is looking like. So just to give you guys more of a closer review, this is what the powder looks like on my face. So that's from that side. Please excuse the mess here. So you could probably see just a little bit, I'm not too sure it's going to pick up on camera to be fair, but you probably see a little bit of separation under my eyes. You could definitely see it on my eyelids there, especially this one here. You could probably see it on my eyelids there. But yeah, this is pretty much my face. I've had this on my face for about 3 to 4 hours ish. So not really too long, but long enough for me to know, you know, the tea, what's going down on my face. And overall, I will probably say I'm actually pleasantly surprised how this worked on my skin. So I would prefer this setting powder than the other one that I showed you guys earlier. I think in terms of the actual product itself, it is finely milled, but it's not the most smoothest and buttery translucent powder or setting powder I've come across. But it doesn't feel rough, it doesn't feel very heavy, and it actually doesn't feel drying, which is good. I absolutely love this colour, I think the shade Banana suits me quite well, and especially around my mouth area, I don't really see major separation. It's just mainly around my eyelids, which again, I'm not surprised. I would definitely have to do like my extra prep step if I were to use this powder. What I did notice though, like from the beginning, literally before even finishing my makeup, my eyelids started to really crease. So I wouldn't really say that it is the most crease lockdown proof powder that I've come across, because literally in 2.5 seconds my lids were creasing, sis. I would say for a £7 powder, drugstore alternative, comes in 4 shades, I think it worked okay, but I guess I just need to do some extra steps. So yeah, I wouldn't say this is going to be like my favorite go-to drugstore alternative, because I actually do prefer other drugstore baking setting powders than this one, but to compare it with the first sleek powder that I have, I would say this one works much better, and I'm more happy that the fact that it's not too drying. Yeah, so that is the face, you know. What you guys think, you guys let me know. Oh my god, my makeup is literally ruined by my children, but it's okay. Pretty much the end of the video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this one, and I hope it was useful. If it was, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I always leave my foundation references in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this powder. Would you buy? Would you not buy? Tell me why you would not buy. Make sure you follow me on the Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. I need to stop doing that. That's so